Hello everyone, my name is Srinjay Bhattacharya. I am a student of grade 5 in Delhi Public School, Fushantlok, Gurugram, and I will present my project. My project is a weather app called Weather Widget. Nowadays, many desktop applications are available to get the weather information, which take up a lot of memory of the device. I have written this application and kept it small. With minimum user interaction, one can utilize Google API to fetch the user information of any city. It takes only the city name from the user and uses it to call Google API and get the response. When we start the application, the drop-down is populated by reading a text file with city names, one city in each line. One can select a city by clicking on the drop-down menu or writing any city name in the combo box. On clicking the Show Weather button to get the result, the app will call the Google API and to fetch the weather information. After the app gets the response, it will put it in HTML and parse it into 3 data groups: sky condition, temperature and time. It will then show this information in the app window. The person may exit or start again. Uses 1. I have provided a drop-down menu of only Indian cities. One can also write any city name as per the requirement. This app could be extended to fetch more information like humidity, etc. This app is small and quick, so does not use much resources, hence could be run in low-end machines. It is also platform independent, could be run in Windows, Mac or Linux. Now I will show you my project. So I will just show you my program here. So I just imported some modules. These are the variables in which the data will be stored. I have taken a function called myweather or MCT. The Google API is stored in the URL. Then it is taken to HTML and then the HTML is parsed in soup. Then it is broken down into temp or temperature, time and sky. The data will return as this. If the name of the city is wrong, then it will return as this. This is the city list where the data of the cities will be stored. This is the file in which the cities are in. This is the program for the window. This is the geometry of the window, 80 into 250 pixels. This is the label of the window called Weather Widget. This this portion of the program will take the user's input and this is the button in which if after clicked will show the result. This is the command lambda my show, which is a function which shows 2 data types: city name and the full weather, which are shown here. I will now execute it. We can use the drop-down menu. For example, I took Aligarh. We can have to click the Show Weather button, which will show this: temperature, time, Friday, 12:35 AM, sky clear. Or we can write here. We can write it also for like Kolkata. It will also show here. Like this. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this as much as you can. Thank you.